Ring and Amazon products like the Echo Show are made for each other. Quite literally. Whether you've got a shiny new Ring doorbell or an Amazon Echo, it's super easy to pair your Ring and Alexa devices together in just a couple steps, and we're gonna show you how. Now, these instructions aren't limited to Ring doorbells. They apply to any Ring camera or device, but in our example, we're going to use a Ring doorbell and an Echo Show. To get started, you'll need your Ring camera, your Amazon Echo, and the app ready to go. Open the app. Tap the 3 lines in the app to show the menu and select More. In that menu, select Skills and Games. Find the Ring skill through the main menu or search box. Once you find the Ring skill, tap Enable to Use. This will take you to the new screen where you will link your Ring and accounts. Scroll down and select Enable Skill and Link Accounts. From there, you'll sign into your Ring account through the app. If you have 2-factor authentication activated, you'll also have to type in a PIN like we did here. Once that's done, select Authorize, and you're done. Here's what it looks like when you connect a Ring doorbell to an Echo Show. Now you can see who's at the door from your Amazon Echo or control your Ring cameras with your voice. You can use commands like show the front door or hide the feed by saying go home or stop while watching that live feed. You can also watch recorded activity from your Ring camera on your Echo Show with commands like show the last activity from, and then say the name of the camera. You can also fast forward, rewind, pause, and play those recorded clips. We've linked to Ring's help page in the description for more ideas and commands that you can use. Are there any other tricks you want to see with Alexa and Ring? Let us know in the comments, and like and subscribe to Safewise here on YouTube for more quick how-tos like this one. Thanks for watching and stay safe.